Fuck yeah, it's gonna suck. Better fucking suck. It's too good, just tell me. Yeah, that's too good. You guys gotta stop that shit. Don't get good.
I know, I think I hold